प्यारे बच्चों सत श्री अकाल। तो अज की वीडियो में मैं तो सारे कराने जा रहा मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर नंबर 1 क्लास 10वीं का सबजैक्ट सोशल साइंस का। तो यह मैं कराने जा रहा तो MBT की मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर कम सैंपल पेपर्स टर्म 2 सोशल स्टडीज़ जो कि इंग्लिश में है और यह 10वीं जमात के लिए है PSCB। तो चलो हम आप शुरू करते हैं। सब तो पहले इतने प्रश्नों बारे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है तो नीचे दिता गया है। अब सीधा ही पार्ट ए तो शुरू करते हैं। पार्ट ए, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 1 वर्ड और 1 सेंटेंस। ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 1 मार्क। तो पहला प्रश्न, विच स्टेट इन द कंट्री हैज़ द हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ मेन वर्कर्स। तो इसका उत्तर है महाराष्ट्र। दूसरा प्रश्न, नेम द एलिमेंट्स दैट डिटरमाइन द एज स्ट्रक्चर। तो इसका उत्तर है फर्टिलिटी, मोर्टेलिटी एंड माइग्रेशन। तो अगे तीजा प्रश्न, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज। तो इसका उत्तर है अ स्मॉल बिजनेस इन विच पीपल वर्क इन देयर ओन हाउस ऑफन यूजिंग देयर ओन इक्विपमेंट। चौथा प्रश्न, हु वॉज मेहताब कौर। तो इसका उत्तर है शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वाइफ ऑफ महाराजा रंजीत सिंह, द फाउंडर ऑफ सिख एम्पायर। प्रश्न नंबर 5, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम एज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। तो इसका उत्तर है 30 ईयर्स इज द मिनिमम एज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी मेंबर ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली। अगे है पार्ट बी। तो पार्ट बी दे सारे प्रश्न हैं। आपने 25 तो 30 शब्दों के इन्हों का उत्तर देना है और एक क्वेश्चन कैरी करता है 2 मार्क्स। पहला प्रश्न, राइट द करैक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एरिड वेजिटेशन। तो इसका उत्तर है द प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो इन एंड वेजिटेशन देयर लीव्स डिपेंड ऑन मॉइस्चर ऑफ क्लाइमेट, स्टेम्स एंड लीव्स आर ऑफन कवर्ड बाय शार्प थ्रोन्स। अगे दूसरा प्रश्न, व्हाट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मिनरल्स टू द नेशनल इकोनॉमी। तो इसका उत्तर है मिनरल्स play an important role in the economy of a country as these minerals are either exported or used in making of some other items. Minerals serve as one of the most important sources for countries. तीसरा प्रश्न, explain the need for rapid and balanced industrialization in India. तो इसका उत्तर है because it is required to make India self-sufficient and self-reliable for fulfilling all its needs and requirements. चौथा प्रश्न, राइट द टर्म्स ऑफ द ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर। तो इसका उत्तर है द ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर वॉज साइंड बिटवीन द ब्रिटिश एंड सिख्स। दिस ट्रीटी डिक्लेयर्ड द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 1845 to 1846. The East India Company and Maharaja Dalip Singh Bahadur concluded it. पांचवा प्रश्न, राइट अ ब्रीफ नोट ऑन पंचशील। तो इसका उत्तर है म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर्स टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी एंड सोवेरेनिटी, म्यूचुअल नॉन एग्रेशन, म्यूचुअल नॉन इंटरफेरेंस इन ईच अदर्स इंटरनल अफेयर्स, इक्वालिटी एंड कोऑपरेशन फॉर म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट। अगे है पार्ट सी। इसका है आंसर एनी 4 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स। ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 4 मार्क्स। तो आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 प्रश्न ही इसके उत्तर देने हैं। 80 तो 100 शब्दों में लैके हर एक क्वेश्चन कैरी करता है 4 मार्क्स। तो पहला प्रश्न, हाउ डज नैचुरल वेजिटेशन एक्ट एज अ बोन फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज। तो इतने जो बुक के वालों किया हुआ मिसप्रिंट इतने बून लिखा हुआ पर आएगा बोन। तो देखो हाउ इसका उत्तर आ जाएगा, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन प्रोवाइड्स द बेसिस फॉर मैनी इंडस्ट्रीज। द मेन इंडस्ट्रीज बेस्ड ऑन फॉरेस्ट्स आर लाइक दिस। नंबर 1, मैच इंडस्ट्री, सॉफ्ट वुड इज यूज्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर मैच बॉक्सेस। सेकंड, लैक इंडस्ट्री, इंसेक्ट्स provide lac on trees and is used for records, polish, electrical goods, etc. Okay, तीजा, paper industry, bamboo, eucalyptus and many types of grass are used in paper industries. Bamboo is found in Terai region. Varnish and paints. Varnish and paints are prepared from resin which comes from forests. चौथा medicines, many important medicines are made from forests, example quinine from cinchona. Other industries, forests provide raw material for many industries like pencil, boxes, sandal oil, furniture and sports goods. Okay, दूसरा प्रश्न, डिस्क्राइब इन डिटेल द नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी. तो इसका उत्तर है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेज often known as non-conventional energy are the sources that are renewed by natural processes on a continual basis. Solar energy, wind energy, bioenergy, hydropower and other sustainable energy sources are some examples. Again, तीसरा प्रश्न, write the main elements of success of green revolution. तो इसका उत्तर है there are various factors responsible for green revolution in India. The important among them are, first, wonder seeds. Agricultural revolution is primarily due to the miracle of new wonder seeds which have raised agricultural yield per acre to incredible heights. दूसरा प्रश्न, दूसरा इसका पार्ट है chemical fertilizers. The increasing use of chemical fertilizers has played a key role in the breakthrough. Fertilizer consumption increased from a mere 2.92 lakh tons in 1960 to 1961 to 34.1 lakh tons in 2007 to 2008 and more spectacularly to 255.76 lakh tons in 2017 to 2018. इसके ਵਿੱਚ बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंक्रीज आया है. तो तीसरा, मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. Thanks to the new seeds maturing early, it has become possible to obtain 3 and even 4 crops instead of 2 from the same plot in a year. Again, चौथा प्रश्न, modern equipment and machinery. Modern machinery and implements like tractors, harvesters, pumping sets, tube wells, etc. are being increasingly used and are replacing the bullocks wherever possible. Panjwa, price incentives. The government has taken care to offer support prices to the growers so that minimum reasonable returns from their labor and investment are assured to them. छठवां प्रश्न, extension of irrigation. The irrigation system of the country is being speedily extended to assure adequate water supply, especially in areas where new agricultural strategy is being applied. सातवां प्रश्न, processing, storage and marketing facilities. These facilities are being improved and extended so that the increased agricultural production is put to profitable use. Again, चौथा प्रश्न, describe the Jallianwala Bagh massacre on April 13, 1919. Anno Domini, after death of the Jesus Christ, the Baisakhi day, about 20,000 people assembled for a peaceful meeting in the Jallianwala Bagh at Amritsar to protest against the arrest of their leaders Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal, and also against the Rowlatt Act. A large number of people who had come to visit Sri Harmandir Sahib also joined the meeting. Brigadier General Dyer was seeking an opportunity to teach a lesson to the Indians for floating the government orders. He arrived at the Jallianwala Bagh with 500 troops who were ordered to open fire without giving the people a warning to disperse. About 400 innocent people were killed and nearly 1,200 were injured. The tragedy is known as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. General Dyer had hoped that his action would cool down disturbances not only in the Punjab but also in the whole of India. But his hopes were belied. A wave of horror and anger swept the country from one to another. The great poet Rabindranath Tagore surrendered his title of Sir as a measure of protest. The people lost faith in the professions of goodwill by the British government. After the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, martial law was imposed in the whole of the Punjab. The people were tortured by the police. Such actions of government increased bitterness between the British and the Indians. The people were not frightened and were not prepared to surrender before the British. On the other hand, their determination to fight against the foreign rule became stronger. ਅੱਗੇ ਹੈ ਪਾਰਟ ਡੀ। ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਸੋਰਸ ਬੇਸਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰਣਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ was the only son of his parents. He was brought up with love and affection. When he was 5 years old, he was sent to the Dharamshala of Bhai Bhagu Singh of Gujranwala for his education. But like the sons of other chiefs, he did not show any interest in education and remained illiterate. He spent most of his time in horse riding, sportsmanship, and hunting. Thus, from the very childhood, he became an expert in use of sword, horse riding, and the art of archery. Ranjit Singh was severely attacked by smallpox during his childhood, and there was no hope of his survival. Luckily, Ranjit Singh recovered from his illness, but the smallpox left scars on his face, and the sight of his left eye was lost. Read the source and answer the following question. पहला question, why was Ranjit Singh brought up with love and affections? तो इसका उत्तर है because Ranjit Singh was the only son of his parents. अगे दूजा, how did Ranjit Singh became a good fighter in his childhood? तो इसका उत्तर है कि he did not show any interest in education and remained illiterate. He spent most of his time in horse riding, sportsmanship, and hunting. Thus, from the very childhood, he became an expert in use of sword, horse riding, and the art of archery. तीजा प्रश्न, how did Ranjit Singh lose his left eye? तो इसका उत्तर है when Ranjit Singh was severely attacked by smallpox during his childhood, and there was no hope of his survival. Luckily, Ranjit Singh recovered from his illness, but the smallpox left scars on his face, and the sight of his left eye was lost. ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲਈ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ। ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੂੰਗਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।